Shifter the problem. I want a heavy ass cover. Shifter's gonna have to come off. Whatever that takes to do. Oh, we got an oil leak. Yeah, looks like we missed. That's how we got this stuff. Yeah, it's just dripping all over the place. So. Mainly up here. And back there. And everywhere else. Alright. Should get the shifter off somehow. Unknown. Don't know. We'll get this off also. I think that'll just pop off. That came off. Good. Hey, that came off easy. Ooh, that thing's shot. Oh, it doesn't move either. Is that supposed to move? It don't. I don't know if else that. Water. Oh, that's it? 2 threads. That's not right. That thing's definitely loose. Alright. I think I pretty well missed everything with this container. So we'll just say we did it and ignore it. Looks like this is doing all the catching over here. Oh, how are we going to get this stupid shifter out of the way? There'll be something doing, holding it. Oh. Foot, put an arrow through it. Might hurt. Wonderful. Looks better already. Alright, now with that up in the air, I think we got enough room to get it out of here maybe. We've got to pull the footboard, but the footboard is a couple screws over here. Usually it's just a 7/16 under here. An Allen. The nut came off without disturbing the Allen. bigger Allen. Yep. Sharpen it there. Okay. That's all you need to do. Leave the rest of it hanging. It moved out of the way. One bolt. I like that. Okay, we should be able to get this out of here now. Let's see, where was my Allen? Yeah, we did something with it. There. Hold on. Got an ass. The shifter up on the way. Ooh, that belt looks like crap. So does this gasket. It's got muck inside here for oil. What a shocker. Put that over there, let it drain on those pads. There's your problem right there. It's not the starter. That's why it had me that grinding noise. I couldn't figure out what the grinding noise was. And it looks like the primary gasket is Indian only. And it's broken right there. There ain't no way we're getting these in one day. I wonder why it leaks. I can think of a lot of reasons. Okay, I gotta get that gasket off without destroying it. So I need to clean it and reuse it. Come on, camera. My hands are full of grease. Quit screwing me. There we go. Okay. Okay, we gotta reuse this, so gotta be careful. Okay. What a mess. What a mess. So the belt is being chewed up by something. Can't imagine what that could be. Yeah, right. Oh. Yeah, what are we going to do here? Oh, this is supposed to have an O-ring in here. So this is the O-ring style primary cover. They put a gasket on it, that's why it leaks. That's a whole nother problem. So what can I do to temporarily make this work for one race? I think I can replace everything in one day. Could try. I should think I might have an O-ring for this upstairs. That's some kind of a weird, stupid Indian O-ring. If I can find it. That'd be a miracle, wouldn't it? Yeah. Alright, let me clean some stuff up, be back.